Hello students, today is our first lecture of the subject mathematics, and in this lecture we go with our first chapter. Here chapter name is trigonometry, and related with the trigonometry we consider one part. Here we consider the trigonometric ratios and the transformation formulae and examples related with the trigonometric ratio and the transformation formulae. So this is our very important lecture. Here examples are very important related with this part, and some examples are asked in the competitive examination. Okay, so we directly go with some important examples. Let's go with our first example. Here example is, if cos of 28 degree plus sine of 28 degree is equal to k cube, then cos of 17 degree is equal to, here options are, here in the first given k cube upon root 2, second option is here minus k cube upon root 2, then third option is here plus minus k cube upon root 2, and in last here option is none of these. So here expression is given, given cos of 28 degree plus sine of 28 degree is equal to k cube, and using the given things we have to find value of cos of 17 degree, and here options are like this. Here to solve this type of equation, firstly we consider here cos of 17 degree. Okay, so here in the answer we consider cos of 17 degree. Now remember, here in the given equation 28 degree, this measure is given. So our first step is we have to write this 17 degree in the form of 28 degree. That is, we have to write this 17 degree in the form of compound angle. Now what is compound angle? Here if A and B are the given two angles, then here A plus B and A minus B, these are the compound angles. Okay, so here we have to write this 17 degree in the form of A plus B and or here A minus B. So here I write this cos of 17 degree as here 45 degree minus here 28 degree. Remember, here 45 minus 28, here is 17 degree. Now we know here cos of 45 degree minus 28 degree, this is of the form here cos of A minus B. And we know here cos of A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, so we have to write this cos of 45 degree minus 28 degree using this formula. So here I write cos of 45 degree into cos of 28 degree with plus sign. Remember, here if minus sign is given, then the cosine angle for the compound angle, here we consider plus sign. Then in next, here sine of 45 degree into in next here sine of 28 degree. Now everyone knows value for the cos 45 degree. We know cos 45 degree is 1 upon root 2, sin 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. So this is equal to 1 upon root 2 into cos of 28 degree plus here 1 upon root 2 into sine of 28 degree. Here we keep 1 upon root 2 as common, then inside the bracket we get cos of 28 degree plus sine of 28 degree. Now here cos of 28 degree plus sine of 28 degree is given, and we know this is k cube. We know this is k cube, so this is equal to here k cube upon root 2. So value for your cos of 17 degree here is k cube upon root 2, and your correct option is A. Here correct option is A. So very simple example it is. Here we consider cos of A minus B formula. Remember this type of example. Now we go with our second example. Here in second, given tan of 100 degree plus tan of 125 degree plus tan of 100 degree into tan of 125 degree is equal to, that is, we have to find the value for the given expression, and here options are, here in the A given 0, then in B given 1 upon 2, in C given minus 1, and in D here given 1. Again, very simple example it is. We have to consider the compound angle formulae to solve this type of equation. Remember, here in this example, two angles are given. First is 100 degree, second is 125 degree. Trigonometric function, that is here trigonometric for tan is given. So we consider tan, then 100 degree and 125 degree to find the value. Okay, so here we know, here in the answer directly we consider tan. First angle is 100, okay, then plus second angle is 125 degree, and using this part we have to find value for given. Here we know tan of 100 degree plus 125 degree. Here this is of the form tan of A plus B. And we know tan of A plus B is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. So we use this formula to find the value. So this is equal to, here tan A means tan of 100 degree plus tan B means tan of 125 degree. This divided by 1 minus, here tan A means tan of 100 degree into tan B means tan of 125 degree. Now we know 100 degree plus 125 degree is 225 degree. Okay, so here tan of 225 degree, this is equal to here tan of 100 degree as it is plus tan of 125 degree, this divided by, in denominator, 1 minus tan of 100 degree into tan of 125 degree as it is. Now remember what we have to find. Okay, here we have to find value of tan of 100 degree plus tan of 125 degree plus tan 100 into tan of 125 degree. Okay, so here in numerator tan 100 plus tan 125, these first two are given. Okay, now to find the value, firstly we find value for tan of 225 degree. Now we know here 225 degree is in third quadrant. 180 plus 45 degree. We know 180 plus 45 degree means 180 plus theta form. This is our allied angle in the third quadrant. Okay, so here I write this 225 degree as 180 degree plus 45 degree, and this is equal to here tan of 100 degree plus tan of 125 degree, this divided by 1 minus tan 100 degree into tan of 125 degree. Now here 180 plus theta is in third quadrant. We know in third quadrant this tan is always positive. Remember, in third quadrant tan and cot are positive and remaining all are negative. Okay, so here our value is positive. Here, since tan of 180 plus theta form is given, this is tan theta. So here tan of 45 degree is equal to, we know tan 45 degree is here 1. Here is 1. Okay, so this is equal to here tan of 100 degree plus in next tan of 125 degree, this divided by 1 minus tan of 100 degree into tan of 125 degree as it is. Let's multiply this 1 by 1 minus tan 100 into tan 125 degree to find the value. So here 1 into this is 1 minus tan of 100 degree into tan of 125 degree. This is equal to tan of 100 degree plus tan of 125 degree as it is. Now here if we transfer this minus tan 100 into tan 125 degree in opposite side, then the sign is changed, we get plus sign. Okay, so here tan 100 plus tan 125, then plus tan 100 into tan 125 is 1. So our correct value is, here is 1. So option is D. Here correct option is D. Again, by using here tan of A plus B form, we find value of the given. Okay, now we go with our third important example.